you guys? So your girl Damo, I'm back to bring you guys another video. So today, as you guys already know, being that you clicked on this video, you guys already know what this video is about. Your girl was able to cop her some Nike SB Chunky Dunky. So let's get right into this video right now. I already took the sneakers out the box because I had to. Like, I just had to be the first to see. So these are what they look like. Got these from Premier Skate Shop. Shout outs to them. They handed me that W and your girl was like, alright, okay, I see y'all. I see y'all coming through for your good sis. But yeah, these are what the Nike Ben & Jerry Chunky Dunky SBs look like. These are supposedly the hottest thing smoking for the 2020. Leave a comment down below if you think these are the hottest sneakers that have released thus far. In my opinion, I do definitely think these are, but it could change. We're only in what, May, almost June, so you never know what might release this year that might, you know, take the #1 spot. But for now, Chunky Dunkies are at the top. So let's get right into the shoe. Like, let me give you a close up so you can see what these babies look like. I love the detailing on this sneaker. They actually give you 2 extra pairs of laces, the green and the yellow, and they also come with the white laces already in. I love the cow fur. That's a dope touch, you know, ice cream, milk, cow. And then you have the pastures on the side under the swoosh. See, pastures, rolling hills, you think of cows grazing in the pasture. Got you. Then you got the clouds under the Nike in the back. Here they go. You have the little clouds, which is a cute touch in my opinion. But what really got me, the 2 details that really made me want these sneakers are the swoosh that's melted ice cream, like it's dripping. That's fire. And the insole and the sock lining, which is tie-dye. Of the sneaker says Ben & Jerry's X Nike SB on the inside. And then when you get into the shoe, they left a little message for you. And on the tag it says Ben & Jerry's, if it's not fun, why do it? And that's a little message on the insole, sorry, on the tongue. And they do have the fat tongue, like the fat SB tongues. I know some dunks, they didn't have the fat SB tongues. Why do I want to say XB? I don't know. But the SB tongues. So they are the fat tongues. And I think overall, these are a dope sneaker. Like, I know they're pretty much sold out and going for astronomical prices for resale. And you know, if you want them that bad, I could link some down below, but they won't be at the retail price, which was $100. But if you really want them, you're gonna pay whatever to have them in your collection. So I'll link some pairs down below so you guys can cop them too. Just don't think they're gonna be at retail prices, because they will not. Guys, for joining me in my Ben & Jerry's Chunky Dunky unboxing. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.